Buongiorno tutti. Today we are making a mixed fruit loaf in the bread maker. So I've got all my ingredients measured out. Water 1 1/3 cups, which I think is 350 ml. I put that in first. Skimmed milk powder, 3 tablespoons. Well, it's sticking. Must have been moisture in there. Oops. Sunflower oil, 3 tablespoons. I'm actually using rapeseed oil. Canola oil, as they say in America. Sugar, 1/3 of a cup, which is quite a lot actually. That's just brown sugar. Salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons. That's sea salt I'm using today. Strong white bread flour, 4 cups, which is 560 grams. I think I said it was 490 or 520 the other day. It's 560. So just put that all in at once. There we go. One teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh, lovely. What's left of that oil, waste not, want not. And fast action yeast, which I'll put to one side. And once I'll put that in the bread machine, the bread maker, to start being kneaded, mixed and kneaded. Now when the bleeper goes, it's a dried mixed fruit, 2/3 of a cup. So I've got some chopped dates and golden raisins, which is what I had to hand. I think I have got a bag of mixed vine fruit, but that'll do for now. So into the bread maker. Which I'm not sure I've got plugged in. I don't. I'll edit it. The crust I'll make dark. So it's user setting 5, sweet. And set that away, and that's 2 hours 55. So once that's mixed, the machine will tell me when to add the fruit. You don't add the fruit now because in case it damages the blade or just scuffs the pan, you know. So I'll let you see when it comes out in 2 hours and 55 minutes. Ta-ta for now. Welcome back. As it just beeped, so I'll get my cooling rack. Look it up. And I'll get my oven gloves. Do you think I could remember what these were called the other day? Oh, lovely. It's not as dark as I thought it might be. It's fairly light on the top. Now I think in theory you're supposed to leave it a couple of minutes. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh. Oh, that's lovely. Get at that. Oh, it's really hot. Wow, that looks gorgeous. I've turned smell-o-vision on. If you just scratch your screen, you smell it. It's lovely, yeah. Are you scratching your screen in the right place? Anyway, what I'll do is I'll let that cool for half an hour, and I'll take a few photos and we'll see what it's like then. Ow! Hot. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. A quick wee video. It's still super hot. And just cut into that. Let me see. What end shall I cut? This end. Have a wee look. Oh man! It's lovely and soft. Top. Oh, that's bra. Oh, the steam rising off it. That is absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. Right, I'll take a few photos.